Death, a seemingly simple word, carries profound weight. It is a concept that has intrigued and mystified humanity for centuries. Medically, death is defined as the irreversible cessation of all brain function, including the brain stem. This definition is crucial in the medical field as it helps determine the exact moment when life ends. This lack of brain activity signifies the end of consciousness, breathing, and heartbeat. Without these essential functions, the body can no longer sustain life. While these vital functions cease, the body undergoes a series of remarkable transformations. These changes are part of the natural process of dying and can be quite fascinating to observe. It's important to note that even after the heart stops, cells throughout the body don't immediately die. They continue to function for a short period. They cling to life, utilizing stored oxygen and nutrients for a short time. This brief period of cellular activity is a testament to the resilience of life. This period, known as cellular death, can vary depending on factors such as organ type and environmental conditions. Some cells may last longer than others. The heart, for example, can survive for up to an hour after the brain has ceased functioning. This highlights the complex and intricate nature of the human body. In the moments following death, the body begins a series of physical changes that are both fascinating and inevitable. With the heart no longer pumping blood, gravity takes over, causing blood to settle in the lowest parts of the body. Blood pools in the lower parts of the body, a process known as livor mortis, resulting in a purplish discoloration of the skin. This is one of the first visible signs of death. This process typically begins within 20 to 30 minutes and becomes fixed after several hours, marking the early stages of post-mortem changes. As the body cools to the surrounding temperature, a process called algor mortis, muscles throughout the body relax, leading to a state of complete stillness. This relaxation can cause the bladder and bowels to empty, a natural consequence of the body's systems shutting down. Additionally, the release of gases from the digestive system might occur, potentially leading to sounds like groans or sighs, despite the absence of life. These changes are all part of the natural process of the body returning to the earth. Decomposition, the process of the body breaking down into simpler substances, begins shortly after death. This natural process is essential for recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. One of the earliest stages is rigor mortis, the stiffening of the muscles. This phenomenon is a clear indicator that the body has entered the initial phase of decomposition. This occurs due to a buildup of calcium within muscle cells, causing them to contract and stiffen. The lack of ATP, which is necessary for muscle relaxation, further contributes to this rigidity. Rigor mortis typically sets in within 2 to 6 hours after death, peaking at around 12 hours and gradually subsiding over the next 24 to 48 hours. The exact timing can vary based on environmental conditions. Following rigor mortis, the process of putrefaction begins. This stage marks the start of visible decay and is often accompanied by a strong, unpleasant odor. This stage involves the breakdown of tissues by bacteria and microorganisms, both internal and external. These microorganisms play a crucial role in decomposing the body. Putrefaction is characterized by bloating, discoloration, and the release of strong odors. The gases produced during this stage cause the body to swell and change color. The timeline for putrefaction varies greatly depending on factors like temperature, humidity, and insect activity. Warmer temperatures and higher humidity levels can accelerate the process, while cooler conditions may slow it down. Section 4. Beyond the physical, cultural, and religious beliefs. While science offers a concrete understanding of the physical processes surrounding death, the question of what happens after death has captivated humanity for centuries. Different cultures and religions have developed diverse beliefs and rituals surrounding death and the afterlife. Some believe in a soul that transcends the physical body, journeying to a realm of eternal reward or punishment. Others envision reincarnation, where the soul is reborn into a new life. Still others find solace in the idea that death is a natural part of the life cycle, a return to the earth from which we came. Section 5, the unanswerable question, exploring the mysteries of death. Despite centuries of contemplation and scientific advancement, the question of what truly happens after death remains a profound mystery. While we can trace the physical decomposition of the body, the fate of consciousness, and the existence of an afterlife remain subjects of speculation and deeply personal belief. Perhaps the answer lies beyond our current understanding, hidden within the vastness of the cosmos. Or perhaps, as some believe, death is simply the end, a peaceful cessation of being. Regardless of our individual beliefs, contemplating death reminds us of the preciousness of life and the importance of living each day to the fullest.